On this week's episode of Ask Ethan, we're touching on, should I update my home before selling? So we meet with a lot of people before they decide to list their home, and we talk to them about what they should and should not do to their home. A lot of sellers actually will spend money in the wrong spots when looking to update their home before selling. So have a professional come in, have them give their advice of what they would recommend doing and wouldn't recommend doing. I have it often where people think that it's added a whole bunch of value into their home because they just spent a whole bunch of money doing something to their home, and really it's not going to really help increase the value near as much as they think. So I tell people all the time, even if you're 12 months out but you're going to start some renovations now, let us come in to your home, tell you, yes, I would do this or I wouldn't do that. For example, landscaping is an easy way that you can get some sweat equity into your home. You can add some nice landscaping, spruce up the curb appeal to your home. Kitchen upgrades, bath upgrades are typically great ones. Whereas there's some other things out there that a lot of people, by adding a huge oversized deck or adding a fence or adding a shed, things like that, that may not get necessarily your return on investment that you're looking for. So speak to a real estate professional before you spend a whole bunch of money updating your home to make sure you're going to get the return on investment you want. Hopefully you found this information useful today. As always, check us out on Facebook and Instagram to see our latest Ask Ethan videos. You can also call or text us directly, and check out our website at hochulrealestateteam.com.